Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this WordPress error. There is no user registered with that email address which I am trying to enter here. Actually I was trying to reset my WordPress login password. I maybe forget username or password and I tried this option to reset the password, and if I'm entering here the email address which I remember, then I'm getting this error. So how can I get access to my WordPress admin? We are going to fix this issue in this video. If you are having the same issue, simply type the domain name of the website and then /cPanel. Basically you have to get access to the cPanel of your website, and this information is going to be provided by your web hosting provider. They will provide you a username and password which you have to enter here. Then you have to press login. After login you will get something like this. Don't worry if you are seeing something else, because that can be a difference of cPanel theme only, and all these options are going to be same there also. So here you have to scroll down and you have to find option like this, software. Okay, here it is. Here you have to click on this, and if you don't see it, click and expand this like the way I am doing here, and then click on this option, Softaculous Apps Installer. You'll get a page like this. Here on the top of this page, on the right hand side, you will find this icon, all installation. Click on that. This will basically list all the installations which you have made with this hosting account to this domain. Okay, and we are having a WordPress website, you can see here, and this is listed like this. And also you can see domain name is also listed. Now here just below admin you will find this icon. Click on this, and when you will click on this, you will be directly diverted to your WordPress admin like this. Okay, now do not skip this video, because if you click here and you do not get this, I'm going to show you what you have to do next. But before that, let's finish this option. When you will click here, you will get inside this. Now you do not remember username and password, so click on users, and here you have to click on add new to add a new user, and you can simply edit these users also which are already available. Okay, I would recommend you to add a new user. Click on this and fill up these options here, and make sure choose role to administrator. If you want to edit pages and anything else on your WordPress website, make sure you are selecting this administrator. Click on add new user after filling this form, and you will be able to log in from here by entering your new username and then password. Okay, but what if you are not able to get access by clicking here? Now let's see what we have to do then. Once again we are going to the cPanel, and this time instead of going to software section, we are going to databases. If you will scroll down, you will find this option, and if you don't see these options, then expand this by clicking like this. Here you have to click on phpMyAdmin. Once again going back, click here MySQL databases. Now inside this option MySQL databases, if you will scroll down, then you will find these options, and this is the main option which we are looking for, current databases, and this is the name of the database. Just simply have a look on this, and when you will come here inside phpMyAdmin, you will see these options on the left hand side, and you will also see this database. If you do not see these options, click on databases, and the same options you will find like this. So find this database, here it is, click on this, you will get inside this like here we are seeing on the screen. On the left hand side you have to find this option, options. Okay, it's ending with options inside this WordPress database. So click on this. When you will click on this, if you will scroll down, then you will be able to see admin email. Okay, so now you can use your admin email to reset your WordPress admin password. Simply enter this email here, and WordPress will send you a link on this email ID, and from there you can change the password. Now you know the email ID, admin email ID, and you know the password. You can log into your WordPress admin. You can also edit this by clicking here, edit, and you will click on this. Here you can see, simply select this and change this to whatsoever admin email you want to keep. Okay, then click on save. Make sure this is selected to save, go, and you will be able to change the admin email address, and that email address you have to use to reset the WordPress admin password. So this is the way you can get access to your WordPress admin if you forget username or password. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and leave a comment below if you like this video. See you in next video.